This is James from Burton Waters Boat Sales here in Ipswich, just doing you a short walk round video of Brindley. She is a replica Dutch barge. She was started construction in 2008 and was launched in 2009. I think there is actually a video on YouTube, if you type in Brindley, of it being made at the time. So the boat is here out of the water. The owners did live on the boat and have now chosen to move back ashore. And are looking to sell her. She has just been blacked and all the paint work on the decks and so forth has been done. And I'll just take you around the outside of the boat so you can get a good idea of condition of the hull and running gear, as it were, on the boat. So the boat has got a Perkins 86 horsepower diesel engine in her. Plus there is a generator. The generator hasn't been used by the current owners, so may need some works to get that fired up. But what we'll do, now you've seen the underneath, is we'll pop up this ladder and let's go and have a look on deck and down below and see what she has to offer. It's a lovely sunny day here at Ipswich today. And so here you go, you can see you've got a really good side deck on the boat to take you along to the bow, which is what we're just flew out to go and do. As we walk along, as you can see, then the roof level then drops, and here we've got this lovely big window, opening window in the side of the boat as well. She has done a little bit of sea work in the past, so would be fairly easy to get from here to the Thames on good weather, or back up to the Norfolk Broads, or wherever you may choose to take her by water, or of course you can be moved by road as well. You've got this manual anchor windlass at the front here, nice big chunky bit of kit, plus you've got an emergency hatch just here. And this boat, because it has a coal burning stove on her, also has its own coal bunker, and I believe it can take about 2 tons of coal there in the bow. So and I'll show you how that comes through when we pop inside. As you can see, you've got nice light coming through from the top there as well. She's also got a mast, she's got the aerial attached, so you should be all right for TV signal. And we'll wander down the deck here, and you've got plenty of space on top of the boat for putting further storage or pots, or you'll grow your own herbs, that sort of thing. The wheelhouse here was rebuilt in around about 2016 to make it an enclosed wheelhouse, and got some quite good features, so I'm just trying to get around the ladder there. So here you go, you've got your normal sort of door, and then if we step into the wheelhouse here, just before we look at anything else, you've also got this second section here, which you can unbolt and open to get larger, bulkier items in here. You get a good view from the wheelhouse, a 360-degree view all the way around you. There's even power in here as well. This has currently got a little bed in here, so it can make for another cabin on the boat for people to sleep in. Here we've got your helm wheel, ship's wheel, and then we've got obviously just your dials and everything, VHF radio and a depth gauge there as well. I have lifted the flooring up and opened the hatch so that I can get you a quick sneak preview down in the engine room as well. And there you will see nice Perkins diesel there, all in good order. Really good engine, I always find. As you can see, that's where the generator is, just over there. So that gives you a sort of look around there. Let's pop down into the boat and have a look at the accommodation. So as we come down, we've got this nice sort of staircase that brings you down, and you immediately come to the bathroom, the heads. In here, plenty of storage, as you can see, plus nice little sink unit there, and you've got like a half bath, which is also the shower as well. It's a nice little feature. And again, the toilet, which is an electric toilet, just here behind the door. Coming around, you've got an electric heater unit by the looks of it, just here. You've got a little bit more storage and other parts obviously to do with the boat that obviously if you came and viewed it, we can go into more details with. The master cabin is just in here with a purpose-built fixed berth, double berth. You have a door this side, and this side's got a curtain. Obviously, it'd be quite easy to reconfigure to make it as you want it. but there's also space for a wardrobe there as well, and plenty of storage units. So we then go a bit further forward and we dip down and we come to the galley and lounge, saloon. And as you can see, she's got a gas hob and electric oven there. There's obviously plenty of space there if you wish to put an extractor, and obviously you've got your storage units and everything else. Another opening here. The boat's also got a wet warm heating system on her. There's obviously TV aerial inputs into the lounge as well, and here you've got that big skylight there as well. So just give you a little whiz round. You've got nice round windows, keeps the heat in, and then here is the lovely stove. I've been assured once that fires up it does heat the whole boat, and here you can see is how you get your coal from that bunker. Nice little feature, saves you having to haul it down into the boat itself. And there is your emergency access. So in here there's plenty of space to make the boat as you want it to be, and you know, set out the layout as you may want it, but it certainly feels very light and airy in here with the big window above, and obviously being the sort of the width that she is, feels very spacious inside the boat itself. So hopefully this video just gives you a brief idea of what this boat actually layout looks like, and what she has to offer. For more information, please contact us at Burton Waters Boat Sales. My name's James, and we look very much to hearing from you. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now.